Smith Station Department of Theater is extremely proud to display our final show of the year. It's a little musical, but one full of heart and outstanding music and message. Several contestants compete to win a brand new pickup truck in a small town in South Texas, each with a reason why it'll make their life better. The show shares their journey, both as an individual and as a community, and has an almost mirror image of our own community. Here's a special sneak peek of Hands on a Hardbody presented by the Smith Station High School Department of Theater. We hope to see everyone May 2nd to May 4th in the Smith Station Junior High School Auditorium. House opens at 6:30 and the show starts at 7 p.m. Tickets are $7. We hope you come out to this big finish to the year.